Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I got something new from Chanel, and yes, we are talking about a new bag. I know, I said that I will try to stay away from Chanel bags this year and focus on other brands instead that I do not have in my collection yet, but trust me, this bag was just too good to let go. So make sure to stay tuned to not miss out on this beauty. I bought this bag already in January, but as it's such a summery bag, I wanted to wait a bit for the right season to share it. And now, as we are in March, I thought it's the right time to unbox this piece together with you as spring slowly starts to come out in Europe. I don't know about you, but I'm usually not in the mood for shopping summer pieces already in the middle of winter, but this bag was one where I knew I shouldn't think twice as it will probably be gone the next time I be at Chanel. So I secured it right away to not regret having it not taken later, as I did with quite some other pieces, I have to say. So I have to admit that this was quite an impulsive purchase, but it was simply love at first sight, okay? Alright, let's stop waffling and have a look at the bag. This is a true unboxing, by the way. I managed to put away the shopping bag when I came back home and I did not rip it open, so it's also the first time I unboxed it now. Let's put this away and take the box out. Ooh. It's quite heavy. Here we go, this is the box. What I can tell you already is that this is something completely different than anything else in my collection. It is a very summery style. Let me try to remove the camellia and open this up. I am so excited, you guys. Can't wait to show you this beautiful piece. So, let's open up the box. You can already see a little sneak peek. I don't know what it is about this bag, but it just had something that immediately caught my eye in the second I saw it. Are you ready to see this special piece, guys? You see, it is a quite small bag. Let me take it out. And it is a neutral toned braided raffia flap bag with champagne gold hardware and black and white interwoven chain details from the 2023-2024 cruise collection. Oh my god, what do you think about this bag, guys? Isn't this such a special bag? I mean, look at this. If this doesn't speak pure summer to you, I don't know what is. It's still got the sticker on the hardware, so let's remove this together to reveal the beautiful shine of the champagne gold hardware. It is so stunning, you guys. What do you think about it? I am just absolutely in love. I think this is a really special bag and definitely the most experimental that I've ever gotten when it comes to Chanel bags. But as I already do have a very good collection of classics and probably more than enough Chanel bags, I thought that if I'd go for another one, it must definitely be a fun bag and something not so common. And as the flap bag is obviously my favorite Chanel model, I could just not fall in love with this summery version of it. This braided raffia is a very different material to the other Chanel bags that I have, of which most of them are made out of leather. And I also have two tweed bags, but this is the very first time I went a little bit more down the experimental route when it comes to the material. So I have no experience with raffia so far and therefore also can't tell you how this bag will keep up and if it will be easy to maintain. I think you do need to be careful with it to not get it frayed or stained. Alright, let me give you a couple of close-up shots of this beauty before we will have a look inside the bag. Alright, let's have a look inside the bag. Let me open this up. It's quite easy to open because the material is super soft, so it's definitely not stiff as some of the leather bags are. Let me take out the paper. So inside we have one big compartment that does not come with any extra lining. It comes with this little black quilted zip pocket which is made out of lambskin and is woven into the raffia, so it is not detachable and you can't take it out. And that's about it already on the inside, and when we turn the bag around we can see that there is no back pocket on this one. Alright, shall we try out what fits inside? Okay, my phone, which is an iPhone 14 Pro, fits perfectly. Then we can add a card holder, a lipstick, my AirPods, a little pocket mirror and a hair comb. My keys and a small hand cream also fit, and then we still have a little bit of space left. For me, this is totally sufficient as I usually do not carry much more than that. Perfect little bag that still is able to carry the essentials. Regarding size, I've seen this bag in 2 different sizes in the store. One in a rectangular bigger shape, which I think was a small size, and then this mini square one that I went for. Unfortunately, I didn't take a picture of the other one that I saw in the store. I'll display the measurements that I found if you're interested in details. On the Chanel website, I can currently only find a medium one, but there are obviously more sizes than that. Let's quickly compare it with my mini rectangular tweed bag that I got for Christmas, which actually fits less than a raffia bag as this one is a little bit more stiff. So that's how they look held next to each other. Pretty similar in size, just with different proportions, as this one is rectangular shape and this one is a square shape obviously. But both of them are mini models, but I do think they look quite different. I mean, the style is obviously completely different. This one is definitely more of a winter bag and this one just calls pure summer. And the material is also quite different. This is tweed and this is raffia, but still, these are the 2 mini bags that I have in my collection now, and I just absolutely love both of them. Alright, let me try on the bag for you now and show you how it looks like on me. The smaller the bag, usually the longer the strap gets. This one has 112 centimeters and a strap drop of about 55 centimeters, which is a perfect length for me to wear it both ways, over the shoulder and also crossbody. I can't wait to style it with a pair of tailored pants and a light knit or a blazer for spring and a pair of sneakers or a pair of oran sandals, or with shorts and cute dresses in summer. As the colors of this bag are so neutral, it is very versatile and easy to style. It basically matches my entire closet. And last but not least, as I know that some of you might probably also be interested about the price, I will also shortly go into that. I don't know why some people always make such a mystery out of that, but I do know that sometimes it can be not so easy to find out price information about Chanel bags, especially if they are not available on the Chanel website. So this raffia bag here in the mini size was 6,000 euros. On the Chanel website, I only found the medium-sized version of this bag for 7,200 euros or 7,600 US dollars. Alright, that's it about this bag, guys. I am absolutely in love with this style and it's definitely something a bit more different for me. If you have any questions about this bag, feel free to ask in the comments. I'm more than happy to give you any details that I might have forgotten to mention in this video. This bag really sparked the spring mood in me and I'm already looking so much forward to wearing it throughout the upcoming spring and summer seasons. What else do I have on my mind for spring? Lately, I've also seen a very nice jacket on the Celine website, which I've been eyeing, and I'm also still looking out for a pair of nice Chanel ballet flats. Thinking metallic silver and maybe even an all-white pair. I've just recently seen one on Vestiaire Collective, but unfortunately not in my size. In spring, I generally love wearing lighter shaded neutrals such as whites, creamy tones and beige, and sometimes also a little pop of light blue. Recently, I also got myself a pair of Levi's 501 jeans. They are so nice. Maybe I will do an own video on what I have on my mind for spring, or also a video on spring outfit ideas. Let me know if you would be interested in that. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know what you think about my new bag. To me, this is truly a little piece of art. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming ones. And I would love to see you soon back on my channel. Bye!